Welcome today for me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you will see the ringtone volume panel. Just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by using our device volume buttons here on the left side of the device. And now just press your up volume button. Okay, as can you see, we can also unmute our device ringtone, and also we can do it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. Okay, 1 moment. We can also do this by this way. Just slide to the right side with your finger, that's blue dot, and then just click here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.